Okay, so good morning everybody. Today is Tuesday, April 16, 2024, and we are under a multi-day severe weather risk for the next several days as this low pressure system, thanks to the atmospheric weather which took place across California over the past couple of days, will make some storms very big and will be swapping the snowstorm and some severe thunderstorms across the central and eastern states over the next couple of days. And we start today by taking a look at the Storm Prediction Center. So greens mean general thunder, greens means marginal risk or the lowest risk for some severe weather, yellow means scattered severe weather, and the orange thing means enhanced risk, which means it's possibly going to be a widespread severe weather event, and that's the one that we really need to watch for. So as you can see here, we got measure risk for West Virginia, Ohio, and Indiana. Wouldn't be surprised if this push more by the time this video comes out, so we'll be watching this very closely. I know the trends are indicating this. And then we're going to get the slight risk for Illinois, Missouri, and then for parts of Iowa, Illinois, and Missouri, we're going to get enhanced risk. So that means this will be driven by a wind threat for sure, is by a tornado threat will be the greatest. And see that dotted lines over there? That is an enhanced EF2 or plus tornado possible. How 5% means brown and green means 2%. So this tornado risk is going to be very strong, especially across Iowa and Missouri today. So just be on the lookout for that. And for hail, we got really big hail chances. It's hail season. The freezing level is lower than normal for this time of year, and this will bring in some very big hailstorms, especially for the areas where the tornado will be at. So that's the main reason why we're watching this for tomorrow. Some wind, hail, and some very gusty winds. And this is the part that we do need to watch for tomorrow. For today. Now for tomorrow, sorry about this, but for tomorrow, April 17, we're going to see the slight risk for Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, and Tennessee, with the major risk across Mobile, Ohio, which will be what we're going to be watching. And don't forget, I am working on Wednesday, so tomorrow's Wednesday, I'm working that day, so it'll be tough for me to kind of get this up and running, but we're going to be under a measure. It was for some severe weather tomorrow, and this will bring some very bad severe weather. Can't wait for this to span up and up and up and around, making this a potential moderate risk over the next couple of days here. So we do need to watch Ohio Valley and the Great Lakes very carefully. And this is what we're forecasting. It doesn't mean it's not going to happen, but this is what we're forecasting as of now. Now let's take a look at the BGF model. And you can see on April 16, we're going to get this 985 mobile low pressure system. And there it is. There's some severe weather and some windstorms ahead of it, with warm front and cold front. So that means that we're going to get this really big warm air, plus some more air coming off of the Pacific Ocean. It can create a lot of these rotating front supercells, especially across the warm front area. So that's something that we are watching very closely about. As we move through tomorrow here too, and tomorrow we're going to see the solar system weakening as it moves northeast into Missouri and into Lake Superior, and you can see we got this really big severe thunderstorm stretching from Missouri all the way up to Lake Michigan, Indiana, Ohio. And look at this. This is just the first one of it. This will come through, and then the second one of it will develop behind it along the offshore cold front, and this will bring some really big severe weather, with one air coming up, one front over there, and cool airs coming down. And this will bring some wind, rain, and tornadoes across our area. So that is something that we do need to watch for. And as we head through 18, you can see 18 of April, the solar system will be going through New York, and you can see we're going to get this cool air here. However, we're going to get another system coming up, and this will create some moist warm air for some scatter showers and thunderstorms to develop from the south central all the way to north central. And this will be possibly some severe weather as well, which we do need to watch for. This is on April 18, and that will take us to 19. You can see we're going to get this very big little system develop, and look at that. This model is forecasting for some more severe weather, especially from Indiana all the way down to Texas, Arkansas, and some winds, hail, and tornadoes as well for this area. So this will be something or a less severe weather maker that we do need to watch for. After that, April 20th, this will be moving southeast, and this will be heading across the cold front line, touching from Texas all the way down across the southeastern coastline of the United States. You can see this will move around, this will trailing, and then we're going to get this huge hypersystem blown up, and we may get some xylophone, which we haven't got in a long time, which means jet stream moving directly from the west coast to the east coast. However, we make a little Kuiper system developing across Southern Canada, and this will bring some very big cold air come down. You can see we're going to get this line, and after that we're going to get another Kuiper, and then this Kuiper will turn into a very big low pressure system developing across Oklahoma for April 25th. So I think we're going to get a couple of big severe weather outbreaks here for between now and April 30th. And then after that, we're going to see what Maine brings us to. So we're going to see what Maine actually bring us. So it'll be interesting about what's going to happen in May. So here's our ARRR model really quickly, and you can see we're going to get a supercell developing across Missouri and Kansas. And you can see it will go past Iowa between 2, 3, 4, 5 p.m. today. And then this is today, we're going to see this warm front developing. So, developing across the region today. So, we have some scattered showers and some severe thunderstorm possible across central and eastern Ohio. And this will dissipate, and this will bring some very big cold front. First one rainstorm coming through here across 7 a.m. This will clear out, and you can see we're going to get this cold front coming down here. And this will create a very big supercell type of severe thunderstorms. This will move west to east, and you can see this will be a very dangerous situation. So west coast around 3 p.m., central coast around 6 p.m., and the east coast around 8 p.m. tomorrow. So this will be something that we really need to watch for. This is just a line that's drawn to see some severe thunderstorm coming through, and this we'll need to keep an eye on for some hail, wind, and some tornadoes possible. So we're going to keep you updated throughout the next couple of days. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any new videos. I will see you next time. Bye bye.